In Hebrew, direct objects normally come after verbs. Here's an example from Genesis 34:28 where the two direct objects come before the verb. We'll read Genesis 34:28. Va'et asher ba'ir, va'et asher basadeh lakachu. Okay, this is an interesting example because we have the verb way over at the end of the verse. So here's the verb, lakachu, they took. That's a third common plural verb. There's no explicit subject. And then we have the direct object marker followed by a phrase, and then a direct object marker followed by a phrase showing what was taken. And so they took something. Well, what did they take? Well, they took, here's our direct object marker marking off this phrase, and then here's our second direct object marker marking off this phrase. Notice in Genesis 34:28 we have a direct object marker with no connecting makaf, then another direct object marker that has a connecting makaf. So this is more of a stylistic thing. It really can go either way. So we have first direct object, asher ba'ir, and we would translate this as what, and then we supply a was. What was in the city? So they took what was in the city, and then another direct object marker, and then what was in the field. Sadeh is field. So they took, and then this is what they took, what was in the city and what was in the field. Now notice the order is quite different here than what we're used to. We're used to seeing the verb in front, and so the author may be emphasizing the fact that the things that were taken. So what was in the city and what was in the field they took, to emphasize the objects that were taken.